विद्वज्जनों को नमस्कार। आज जिस द्रुत गति से अध्ययन, अध्यापन और परीक्षण की विधियां बदलती जा रही हैं, उस गति से अध्यापकों का ऑनलाइन प्रशिक्षण और समाधान भी हो रहा है। नई अपेक्षाएं, नई नीतियां निष्ठावान अध्यापकों को मथ रही हैं। शिक्षक अपने सतत प्रयासों से अध्यापन को रोचक, ग्राह्य और जीवंत बनाने में प्रयासरत है, ताकि शिष्य में श्रेष्ठ बनने की जिज्ञासा तथा उत्साह उत्पन्न कर सके। शिक्षक शिष्य को सही निर्देश दे सके, उसका उचित मार्गदर्शन कर सके। आज शिक्षक दिवस पर मैं कर्मठ, कुशल और योग्य शिक्षकों से केवल इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी, रहा संघर्ष की जो चलता है, वो ही तो संसार को बदलता है। जिसने रातों से जंग जीती है, सूर्य बनकर वही निकलता है। धन्यवाद।
Dear friends, on Teachers' Day, I want to congratulate you as well as me and wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. It's day of us, we teachers, who have been considered as the nation builders, and in our epics, a place has been given to the teachers even above God. But today, I would like to talk about the present time, where teachers face a lot of criticism, no respect, and it has become a thankless profession. But my dear friends, we don't have to deviate from our path. We have to work with full devotion, sincerity, and honesty. We have to move step in step in coordination with our present generation, which is technically even more advanced than we people. And so we need to update ourselves technically also and make our pupils a good citizen of our country and above all a good human being. Our efforts should continue whatever obstacle may come even in our path by following the saying of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who said, teachers are backbone of any country and pillars upon which all aspiration come into reality. Thank you.
अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. Teachers' Day celebration started in the year 1962 on the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan to express gratitude and respect to the mentors. After 100 years, history has repeated. Everyone is fighting against COVID-19. In current challenging situation, teaching system has modified. It is very difficult for aged people to adapt accordingly and become tech savvy. But teachers as warriors fighting against virus, teaching art of survival, making an important contribution to all the national development initiatives, molding students into future leaders. We are working hard. Virus cannot beat us and will always work hard for bright future of our nation.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all my colleagues. We all know that teaching is a way of imparting knowledge. It does not start in school. For every individual, learning begins from the stage of infancy. What is good or bad, what to do and not to do is taught by parents, even before a child learns to speak. And when a child crosses the threshold of their homes, they step into a systematic environment called school. And then our role as a teacher, as a mentor, as a friend starts. We hold a child's hand, touch their heart, and open their mind. It is rightly said that a teacher can make a lasting impression on a student's life, and this influence persists beyond school, college and university, we become a beacon of light, guiding these students through the journey of life. In this COVID era, our role as a teacher has become more challenging, more significant, because it is only the teacher who, even through online means, can facilitate learning and can guide young minds. A true teacher continuously learns. So, dear friends, keep learning, keep growing. We were, we are, and we will be the architect of our nation. It is rightly said, a teacher's income increases with increase in knowledge and prosperity of people and the nation. And I think we all are proud of being a teacher. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. Happy Teachers Day to whole teaching fraternity. First of all, I want to express my gratitude towards my teacher and parents. Because of them, I am here today. I want to share my feeling with my fellow friends also. I want to tell them that teacher is a guide, mentor and philosopher. It is very necessary for a teacher to inculcate values and sanskar in his children. Teacher has to inculcate the values, teacher has to nurture, love and guide the students like parent. Definitely, when there is need, teacher has to scold the student like a parent. You know that mother is the first guru. So like a mother, we have to give the love and affection to our children, to our student. We have to show confidence in them. We have to support them sometime when they are in need. So all these things we have to do with very patience. Patience is very necessary in this profession nowadays. Teaching is a very challenging job. Everybody knows this. Teaching is very challenging now in this scenario. So, but when we'll do all these things with great patience, definitely we will get the result. The student will not go anywhere. He will learn the lesson given by you throughout the life. I ensure this. Last not the least, I also want to thank all my students, my dear children, for their love and affection. Because of them, I am a teacher. Happy Teachers Day to all of you again. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. A big applaud to the teaching fraternity. Yes, a teacher has been variously designed as a nation builder, pathfinder, friend, philosopher, a guide. They care about the holistic development of their students. And nowadays, in spite of the restrictions due to pandemic, the teaching fraternity of schools have come forward with an assurance that the learning process of the students remain uninterrupted and move swiftly using different online applications. Last 5 months have seen the structure of schooling and learning change tremendously. Teachers have assured that all the students adapt to the changes to continue with their learning. All teachers have taken this situation as a challenge that makes life interesting, and overcoming them makes life meaningful. As rightly said, hard though the struggle, stronger our will. Through life's test, we'll pass with zeal. Thank you.
A teacher is not born just to teach, rather to change people, inspire them, take up the challenges and never give up when something seems impossible. Happy Teacher's Day to all of us. First of all, I would like to salute all of us because we are doing a great job during this hard time. My dear friends, we may not have influenced 1,000 hearts as teachers, but yes, I am sure that we would be remaining as best teachers in the hearts of few of our students. And this is what is our great achievement. Teaching the students from home is a very difficult task, as difficult as a doctor treating the COVID-19 patients. We as teachers are building up strong pillars of the nation because these pillars are going to be tomorrow's policy makers. My dear friends, remember one thing: one child, one book, one pen, and one teacher can change the entire world. And this is what we people are doing it. I am proud to be a teacher, and I think all of you would be feeling the same on this very special day. Happy Teachers Day once again. Thank you.
माताएं देती नवजीवन, पिता सुरक्षा करते हैं, लेकिन सच्ची मानवता शिक्षक जीवन में भरते हैं. Greetings all. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to present my views, my thoughts to the teaching community. Being associated with the profession from last 15 years, I have evolved as a human being. Earlier, I would say that I was just a novice in this field, but now I think I have acquired a few skills of better understanding the new generation. The best part that I feel of teaching profession is that we are always surrounded with young blood, young energy, new ideas. And this is actually the greatest achievement that we are having. We never age. We may age physically, but mentally and emotionally, we are always young at heart. We are always young at heart. And secondly, I would like to just emphasize on the importance of skills. Nowadays, the teacher's role is not just imparting information. Students have various platforms for getting information. But still, the greatest aim of education or schools is still in our hands. That is to instill values. That is to make a good human being. That is to carve out best in a student, in a child, you could say. That is still in hands of teachers. Dear friends, we all are doing great job. The future of humanity lies in our hands. So let's keep our spirits up, and happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hello dear friends. Approximately 6 million teachers in India have been at the front lines of damage control of COVID-19 pandemic by ensuring that learning reaches their learners seamlessly during lockdown. Pitted against all the odds such as lack of technical know-how, digital skills, virtual learning resources, and cyber safety protocols, the teachers have emerged victorious when they sit proudly in front of their laptops or mobile phones to deliver learning in an online class. Learning new techniques of teaching, engaging the students in different tasks, and taking care of own need is a tough balancing act. No doubt, this has been a very stressful situation for most of us. So here, my dear friends, I would like to emphasize a bit on self-care. Be sure that you take plenty of rest. Go out for a walk. Chill out by watching something on TV. Read good books. Reconnect with your old friends and cousins. And remind yourself that this too shall pass, and be grateful that you still have a job. Moreover, the most important thing is to stay positive. We are learning new ways of teaching which we never thought we would have to learn. This would lead us to find out new creative ways of engaging our students better and give our best to our future generation. Remember, dear friends, a teacher's role is much beyond teaching, to nurture, guide, and prepare the learners to usher in a better tomorrow. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all of you.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात पर ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। शिक्षक दिवस के इस पावन पर्व पर मैं अपने सभी गुरुजनों को शत शत नमन करती हूँ। गुरु का स्थान सर्वश्रेष्ठ है। गुरु का दर्जा ईश्वर से भी ऊपर माना गया है। क्यों? क्योंकि गुरु हमें ईश्वर से मिलाते हैं। गुरु की महिमा अनंत है। तो मैं अपने सभी गुरुजनों का हार्दिक धन्यवाद करती हूँ, जिन्होंने मुझे इस काबिल बनाया कि आज मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, जिन्होंने मेरे गुणों को निखारा, जिन्होंने मेरे व्यक्तित्व को निखारा। तो गुरु की महिमा तो अनंत है। गुरु का वर्णन हम नहीं कर सकते। यदि मैं एक दोहे के माध्यम से कहना चाहूँ, 7 समुद्र मसी करूँ लेखनी बन राय, 7 समुद्र मसी करूँ लेखनी बन राय, सब धरती कागद करूँ गुरु गुण लिखा ना जाए, गुरु गुण लिखा ना जाए। धन्यवाद।
Hello students, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I want to express my feelings about you people. I am able to see that you people are doing exceptionally good work. You are facing your laptops, your mobiles for long hours for the virtual classes and doing your work well. I feel proud to have students like you because you are honest, polite and respectful. You are staying at home with your parents. Obey your parents and tell them the truth. Do your work honestly. I enjoy your company, so I want to see you soon. I wish a successful and happy life for you. God bless you.
Greetings everyone. A very happy Teachers' Day to our Principal Lab, respected Coordinator Lab and my dear colleagues. As you all know, Teachers' Day is a day to salute the entire teaching fraternity for their hard work, dedication and commitment. Yes, year 2020, the year of the coronavirus pandemic, has met all the humanity against the virus. We rightly celebrate doctors, nurses, sanitation workers and other first responders who work hard and accomplish so much during this period. But I think teachers are education first responders and they must be acknowledged for their efforts. Yes, we must praise students also. Apply supported by their parents, they have been the emerging workers. On the occasion of this Teachers' Day, I want to give a message to my dear students that don't forget that challenges make life interesting and overcoming them makes the life meaningful. Create love for learning and resist fear. That is essential for great accomplishments of future for beyond timeline of this temporary activity. As you all know, history will remember how we recreated, how we reacted to these circumstances today, how our character was shaped and how we transformed to a better human being with compassion. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my mentors, teachers and my dear colleagues. This life is a game and we are really game changers. Every single day we are touching lives and changing them. We sometimes do not even realize that how our steps are changing other person's life. We are making sacrifice and the students do not even realize. They are what they are because of the teachers like us. We are teachers. We are educators. But we are also learners. We speak life. We understand life. Our country has a fighting chance. Our students have a fighting chance because we learned, we adapted and we changed our styles in 2020. Our students are going to go a whole new level. But it is only possible because we educators live a life of service. Because we educators live a life of sacrifice. We live to give the solutions. We live a life of sacrifice. We are humans. We are going to make mistakes. But we are going to learn, we are going to change, we are going to reinforce our teaching. So while we are preparing for the whole new level of education, remember, we are together in this game. That is a journey of sacrifice. Let's learn, support and be together. Happy Teachers' Day to one and all for making the changes that are required today. Thank you friends.
Namaskar. Today on this occasion of Teachers' Day, I extend my heartiest gratitude to all my teachers because of whom I am here, whatever I am today in front of you. Our job as a teacher is not confined to academic field. Its perimeter is endless and varies with the situation and time. It is proved also at the lockdown period that how effectively we teachers modified our teaching strategies to meet the challenge of difficult situation. As a teacher, we are playing multi roles. We are acting as an innovator who is giving shape to the ideas of young minds. We are playing the role of a leader also by giving direction to the minds of young generation. We are behaving as a doctor also who is inspiring his students to become physically fit, mentally healthy and academically sound. A teacher behaves as an entrepreneur also, who gives the flight to the growth of development of his nation by equipping the young generation with the technological advancement. As a teacher, I am acting as a soldier also. Though I am not actually fighting with the enemy at the borders to save our country, but yes, I am saving our country, I am saving our society, I am saving our culture and heritage from being spoiled by making my students disciplined and safeguarding them with the moral values and knowledge. So, there is nothing wrong to say that teacher is a nation builder who trains the young generation to handle any situation confidently in their life. Hats off to all the teachers for their great contribution to the society. Thank you all.
Being educated is a matter of pride, but to educate others is in fact a matter of proud. I, Suman, greet everyone here. Today is the most special day, as this day is dedicated to the teaching faculty. Teachers need to be most responsible, hard-working, dedicated towards the job round the clock. Why? Because the future of the nation is created in our classrooms only. And here is the biggest example of teachers' dedication, that how quickly the teacher adapted themselves to the digital teaching learning concept, irrespective of situations and circumstances. This shows the attitude that learning will never stop at any cost. I assure you that we will never let our nation down. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Dear teachers, first of all, Happy Teachers' Day to all the teaching fraternity. On this day, I would like to express my deep gratitude to all the teachers, as they are an important role model for all the children they meet in their teaching journey. Yes, people truly say it's a noble profession, as teachers are selfless, always ready to go to any extent to help their students. In COVID times too, we saw how teachers spent days and nights learning new technologies so that students can be benefited to the fullest. They work hard for shaping the lives of their students. On Teachers' Day, all teachers should be thanked because of their support for educating and guiding the students on the right path. So, here is my big thank to all the teachers.